doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tarji B. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the BISSELL CLEANVIEW Compact Turbo Vacuum. So if you're looking for a really good vacuum, stick around and watch this video. You're going to love some of the features of this vacuum. So this is the BISSELL CLEANVIEW Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum. It's such a wonderful vacuum. Some of the great features of this vacuum is that it has a scatter-free technology. It comes with 3 fabulous cleaning tools. It comes with this turbo brush tool, which is kind of easy to detach and reattach to the extension one. It also comes with a crevice tool, and this is a dusting brush tool. So these are the 3 great tools that this vacuum comes with. So this is the dirt tank. You actually press the release button to release the dirt tank, but it's quite compact and you have to empty it quite a few times, but it's so easy to attach and detach. So when it's time to empty your dirt tank, all you have to do is press the dirt tank empty button and you're able to empty all the dirt and dust and cat hair that's caught in there. So another great feature of this vacuum is that it has a washable filter. So here I'm going to show you how to get access to it. So all you got to do is pull on this purple tab, and then there's the washable filter. You just have to pull it out, rinse it off, and then reinsert it. The best way to wash your filter is to use vinegar as well. That really gets it clean. And then on this side, you can also remove the canister area to kind of wash this down, get rid of some of the cat hair, dust, whatever that's attached in this area, and then reinstall it. So right here, I'm just gonna do this for now, but I am gonna wash everything down once I'm done vacuuming this weekend. So here you have the height adjustment knob. You either have low, medium, or high, but this is great if you want to adjust between your carpet and also your hardwood floor or tile. And back here, this is the part of the extension one. This you connect to the extension one in order to vacuum your upholstery, curtains, anywhere that you need to extend. This is such a great tool. So this is the power cord. It's about 25 feet long, and this is where you actually wrap it. It's the upper and lower cord wraps. So this is where you have to make sure everything is secured before you start wrapping your power cord. So next, I'm gonna show you the handle recline pedal and the power switch pedal. So the power recline pedal is actually the gray pedal right here, and then the power switch metal is actually the red to power on and off the vacuum. So here is the brush roll. As you can see, it has like a purple brush feature here. I do kind of have a little bit of debris, but that can be easily removed. But this is pretty much the bottom of the vacuum. It has 2 wheels as well to help maneuver and to also, make it easier to vacuum as well. So here I'm gonna actually show you guys how wide this vacuum is and how compact it is. It's actually 10 inches wide. So there you can see how compact this vacuum actually is. So next, I'm going to show you guys how to use the extension wand tool. So this is my favorite feature of this vacuum, is that you can detach the extension wand. So all you do is press the gray release button at the bottom there, detach the extension cord here, and then attach it to the extension wand. And then of course you grab whichever tools that you need to use in the moment, and that's it. So now I'm going to detach the crevice tool, and I'm going to attach the turbo brush tool, which is one of my favorite tools to use. So here you can see it's really simple to detach and reattach, and now I'm going to vacuum my sofa. So I'm also going to use the extension wand on my dining room chairs. So this is great for me to vacuum my dining chairs as well. I tend to get cat hair and also anything that's flying around in the apartment, I'm able to grab with this vacuum and the extension wand. So now I'm going to show you the scatter free feature. So here I'm going to vacuum my cat litter. So whenever they use their litter box, they scatter their litter everywhere, especially when they jump out. So normally I have to clean around their litter box, and this vacuum has helped me with cleaning so much. The impact is so great, it's so efficient. I love using this vacuum. So next I'm going to show you how easy it is to vacuum your rugs or carpet. So here I'm adjusting the height of the vacuum. So I prefer to have it on the lowest feature because I like to grab all the dirt and cat hair on my rug. So as you can see here, it's vacuuming my rug quite well. I really love this vacuum. Sometimes it can become difficult to push, but according to the instructions, if it does, all you have to do is adjust the height of your vacuum. But like I said, I like to keep it low because I like to make sure that I'm vacuuming everything. So now you're gonna see all the dust and cat hair I was able to vacuum off my rug. So this is what I usually get in my canister, my dirt tank, every time I vacuum. I'm trying to get this camera to focus, but this is what I get in my canister every single time I vacuum. A lot of dirt, a lot of cat hair. So here I'm just gonna show you how well it vacuums my tile floor. So this is what I like to use. Normally I sweep my floors, but using this vacuum has been so much easier and faster as well. I don't have to, bend over to use my dustpan. So with this vacuum, I'm able to vacuum my apartment quite fast and pretty efficiently as well. So I really love this vacuum. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, of course, leave it down below.